Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money using the DBS digibank app. So first, open the official digibank app and sign in securely. Now from the home screen, find the transfer or payment option. Then choose the type of transfer you want to make. This could be a transfer to another DBS account or an eligible bank account. From there, select an existing recipient or enter the required recipient details. Next, enter the amount you want to send, and before confirming anything, you need to carefully check the recipient's name, account number, and transfer amount. Also, review any fees or transfer information displayed by DBS. And when everything looks correct, continue with the transfer. After confirming, wait for the transaction to process. Then check the confirmation screen or your transaction history to make sure the transfer was completed. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.